Okay guys, emsa qaranglar. Bu yer bir world puzzle bor. Endi bu world puzzle qarab baqsanglar, bu puzzle deganimiz nima desanglar, kichik bir shu tepishmoq shakldagi o'yin. Masalan, buningda nurg'un harflar bor. Nima? Masalan, ekran qarasangiz nurg'un harflar bor. Sizlar mayoqqa yoki ostri ustiga yoki masalan yonda tutashtirish orqali qanday qilsangiz bo'ladi desanglar, mana o so'zlarni tepib chiqsangiz bo'ladi. Masalan, birinchi misolga olaylik. Masalan, birinchi qurda shundan ikkinchisi boshlangan afternoon. Okay, afternoon degan bor. Andaqda sizlar tepinglar. Sizlarga bir 30 sekund vaqt beray. Just find it. Just to guess. Just look it very carefully. Look at it very carefully. Very carefully. Careful. Alright. Is that tapdingizmi? Endi qarab baqaylik ballar. Bu qaysi so'zlar ekan? Ma'no nima desanglar night atrofda asli ustiga. Uni deguncha home, yaxshi. Uni deguncha lunch, good. Uni deguncha usually, yaxshi, usually. Uni deguncha Dutch. Okay, Dutch deganimiz Gollandiyalik tama. Endi housework va ishlar. Uni deguncha desanglar together. Birlikda. Together. Uni deguncha desanglar okay. Tea. Nima? All right. Early. Noon. Stay. Okay. Bu nima desanglar mild. Okay. Uni deguncha late. Okay. Shunda qilib bizningki tekstimizga kelib, unda tekstga diqqat qilinglar. So first of all, read and say what they usually do. Read and say what they usually do. And o'qig'ach hamda bu savollarga bir javob berib beringlar. Xo'sh, avval ham sizlar mushniki anglash qismini bir diqqat qilib anglagandan keyin, undan keyin bo'sh-bo'shini to'llasanglar.
The Sawyers live at 87 King Street. In the morning, Mr. Sawyer goes to work, and the children go to school. Their father takes them to school every day. Mrs. Sawyer stays at home every day. She does the housework. She always eats her lunch at noon. In the afternoon, she usually sees her friends. They often drink tea together. In the evening, the children come home from school. They arrive home early. Mr. Sawyer comes home from work. He arrives home late. At night, the children always do their homework. Then they go to bed. Mr. Sawyer usually reads his newspaper. But sometimes he and his wife watch television.
Okay. Andaqda qaranglar. Bu bo'shliqlarga masalan in the morning odatda mushara what they usually do. What they usually do. Especially Mr. Sawyer, right? What does Mr. Sawyer usually do? In the morning? Okay, can you answer? Answer me. What does he do? Good. He goes to work. Adatda u nega bordi? Xizmatga bordi. Okay, xizmatga bordi. Okay. And the Mrs. Sawyer cho, and the Sawyer xonim cho, you know, she stays at home. U uyda turdi. Shunami? What about children? You know, children go to school. And bu etdigandiki bu bir oila kishilarningki nima davomliq kundadagidek odatlanib ketgan, odat qiladigan ishlar ekan. Like Mr. Sawyer goes to work, Mrs. Sawyer stays at home every day, and children go to school. What about in the afternoon? Okay, what about in the afternoon? You know, Mrs. Sawyer usually sees her friends, right? Dostları bilan görüşürken adetda. So they often drink tea together or drink coffee together. Undaqda ular birlikda choy ichamidikan, balla qahvami? Which one? Which one? Yeah, they drink tea together. Ular odatda birlikda choy ichirkan. Hamda birlikda qahva ichmak desanglar, drink coffee together. Drink coffee together. What about in the evening? What about in the evening, such as Mr. Sawyer from work? And the xizmatdan nima ish qildi ekan? Xizmatdan qaytib keldi deymish. Nima? He comes home from work. O xizmatdan qanday qildi ekan? Qaytib keldi ekan. So he qanday qildi ekan? U uyga baldur kelamdi ekan kiyinmi? He arrives home late. He arrives home late. O keyin yetib keldi ekan. And the children, and nima ko'plik bo'lgan degan come bo'lamdi, balla comes bo'lamdi shakida qara. Come home, right? The children come home after school, okay? They arrive home early, okay? They arrive home early. And ular qanaqalan gap, baldo kelgan gap. What about at night? You know, at night the children always do their homework, right? Children always do their homework. Ular doim topshiriqlarini ishlaydi. Then they, uning negincha topshiriqni ishlab nima ish qildi? Albatta at night bo'lgan nima? Go to bed. Go to bed degan shu uxlamoq. Uxlamoq degan gap. Then they go to bed. Mr. Sawyer usually reads his newspaper. And the mishariki usually deganimiz odatda. Demek ki davamlı qiladigan ishlari, odatga aylanib ketgan ishlarini ko'rsatamiz. Odatda qanday qildi? Reads his newspaper. Odatda gazeta o'qiydi. But sometimes he and his wife watch TV. Biroq ba'zida u ayoli bilan birga televizor ko'radi. Demak, ham nima shariki? Watch TV deganimiz birlikda televizor ko'rmak, reads his newspaper. Hamda shu muhim bo'lgan ma'lumotlar. So let's tell the story. Amsa avval ham biz shu hikoyamizni bayon qilib boqaylik. Qaranglar, nima degan chiroyli qo'ya. Bu uyning ayirda bir tal taxt usturdi. Uni nima debdi? 87 King Street. Endi bu chet elliklar adres deganda qanday ifodalaydi desanglar, avval kichik o'rindan tortib cho'ng o'ringa. Masalan, Xinjiang Uyg'ur Abdunum rayoni, Qashqar viloyati, Qashqar shahri, Janub ozodlik yo'li 8-numor, Miran sıfırlıq soğudu şəhərçisi, 2-qavat g'oyatil tarbiyalash markazi deymiz. Shunami? Hamda bular chet ellikninkina nima desanglar, g'oyatil tarbiyalash markazi 8-numor, Janub ozodlik yo'li, Qashqar shahri, Xinjiang Uyg'ur Abdunum rayoni, Jungu yer shahri degandekchi. Shunday deyilgan gap. Shunga ham nimalarniki atashuvlar 87 King Street, 87-numorliq podshoh ko'chasi. Demak, the Sawyers live at 87 King Street. Endi mishariki nima uchun the Sawyers deydi? Endi bu Sawyers asqatildi, Sawyerlar. Chet elliklar odatda masalan ayol kishi to'y qilsa, uning familiyasi nima desang, er tarafdan familiyasiga aylandi. Onunki ballarning hammasining familiyalari nima bo'ldi. Demak, mana Sawyerning oilasi shunami? Demak, bu bir oiladagi 4 odam bo'lgan bo'lsa, hammasininki familiyasi nima? Sawyer. Shunga Sawyerlar deydi. Masalan, the Obamas. Obama degan familiya. Mr. Obama, Mrs. Obama, shunami? Barack Obama, Michelle Obama, Sasha Obama, Milia Obama. Demek ikki qizi bir ayoli, boshlanami Obamani. Hamda Obama degan familiyasi o'zining ismini nima aytsangiz Barack. Shunga bir sharikada the Sawyers deganimiz Sawyerlar. Demak, the Sawyers live at 87 King Street. Endi bir sharikada live degan uzoq mazgil bir yer tug'an bo'lsangiz, shunda deymiz live. Endi bir yerga at kichik o'rinlarga nima keladi desanglar at. Masalan, at school, at the airport. Shunami? So'zlikda bir qanday bo'lgan. Demak, ko'cha bir kichik yer, shunami? Aniq bo'lgan bir yer. Shunga at the 87 King Street. Agar bir daire olgan bolsa söylesanglar mesela, bir şehir olgan bolsa mesela in Kashgar. Mesela the Sawyers live in Kashgar. Managa in keladi. Okay. Demek the Sawyers live at 87 King Street. In the morning, Mr. Sawyer goes to work. Okay. Attiganda qana qilgan rasmni ko'rib turibsizlar, Sawyer apandim qana qilgan xizmatga bordi ekan. And children go to school. Hamda bolalar maktabga boradi. Their father takes them to school every day. Hamda ularning dadasi bolalarni maktabga elib boradi. Hamda shari take somebody to some place bo'lsa, birisini bir yerga olib bormoq degan gap. Masalan bir narsa bor, take me to your heart. Meni yuragingizga olib boring deb. Take me to your heart, take me to your soul. La 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 la. Demakchi meni yuragingizga olib boring. Take somebody to some place. You know, I will take you to. Demek birisini bir yaqinda qilmoq, olib bormoq. Demek ularning dadisi ularni nega olib bordi ekan har kuni? Maktabga olib bordi ekan. Demek maktabga to'shiydi ekan. Tushunami? Their father takes them to school every day. Every day. So, and also hozir atdigan qo'texa. Endi atdiganda Mrs. Sawyer stays at home. Sawyer xanım uyda o'tirdi ekan. Endi bu yerga stay degan bir qisqa vaqtlik turish, masalan, stay at a hotel, stay at home, shunaqa, every day, shunaqa. And then Mrs. Sawyer always eats her lunch at noon. And that naq tushda Sawyer xanım tushlik tamoqini yer ekan. Eats her lunch at noon. The children come home from school. And that kech in the evening, kech bulay deganda, and in the evening children come home from school and they arrive home early. Ular baldu maktabdan keladi. Mr. Sawyer comes home from work and he arrives late. And Sawyer apandim keladi ekan, lekin keyin yetib keladi ekan. He arrives home late. Okay. What about at night? And children always, look, what are they doing? They are doing their homework. Children always do their homework. And the children do their homework. Do their homework. And then Mr. Sawyer usually reads his newspaper. But sometimes, and he and his wife watch television. He and his wife watch television. Watch television.